We are sorry to interrupt your program on YouTube. The following is only a test of the YouTube emergency alert system. This is only a test. This has been a test of the emergency alert system on YouTube. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is currently being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, important information and instructions would have followed the alert tone. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system on YouTube. We now resume to the video you're currently watching on YouTube.